What's up, beautiful people? Welcome to my very first A Great Life vlog. So today is Sunday and I'm going to be doing a reset, so I thought it'd be dope to start here. You know, sometimes you just have to start. I've been wanting to do A Great Life vlogs for a while now, so instead of overthinking it, I'm just cutting on the camera and I'm gonna just take y'all with me. Right now I'm about to head into the grocery store because our kitchen is empty, y'all. That kitchen empty. I'm like, we can't start off the week like this. We've been traveling a lot, so we just got home yesterday, Saturday night. Let's get out this car. Let's go get some groceries. And yeah, that's what we're about to do. Always stick to the grocery list. Never fails. So good morning, everyone. I'm super excited because today my husband and I are what are we doing? We're trading in our old Tesla for the new one. So and we know that love is patient, love is kind, love does not boast, it does not envy. You know, there's that love has its own list of characteristics. And I think if we can kind of master them in our own way, we can avoid the disconnection that you were talking about. Okay, so I'm super excited because we just got to the Les Brown conference here at the Marriott at the LAX airport. My husband secured us some tickets and I didn't expect to be doing this today, so it's like an extra special treat. Courtesy of Peggy Beatrice Foundation, so make sure you check them out. Yeah, so we're about to head in and I'm gonna go get inspired. Yes, we can.
And yes, we will.
And yes, we will.
When you speak, you ignite the greatness in people. When you speak and you tell your story, you unleash the imprisoned splendor.
What's up, everyone? Good morning. It is around 9 o'clock on a Saturday morning. My husband and I are getting some coffee and then we're about to head up to Malibu, which is by far my favorite area in LA. I love Malibu, so don't be surprised when I get my house there one of these days. But yeah, we're about to head up to Malibu. You know, you gotta enjoy your Saturdays. What I like to do is I put forth all my best efforts during the week. I do my best. I mark off all my to-dos, if possible, of course. And then on the weekends, like by Friday evening, no work, all play. Because if you don't give yourself that balance, I mean, I guess it depends on your personality type, but for me, I need that balance. So I just put it all down. That way I don't get too tied to the narrative. I don't get too tied to what I think I see. You know, it gives me room to let God lead me, to allow him to show me through his understanding and not my own. So yeah, Malibu, let's go. Say what's up to the vlog.
What up, vlog?
Cheers. Just finished up our hike. It was great. So we're about to go and get some breakfast because I'm hungry. So this is what I love about taking your moments, because a lot of times we feel like we don't have enough time to do the things that we love, the things that keep us at peace, that keep us calm, the moments that bring us present. We feel like we don't have time for those things. But it's not true. Because at any moment in time, you could just pull over on the side of the Pacific Highway and enjoy the beach, enjoy the waves, enjoy the views. I mean, hey, we only remember moments anyway, right? Might as well take them. Momentum always has to keep going. It's just physics. It's not a matter of if, it's only a matter of when. So keep going. Keep building that momentum. Do a little bit a day, or figure out how to make it look like you're doing a little bit a day, but whatever you do, don't stop. It's working, it's yours for the taking. It's only a matter of time, because you deserve to live a great life. Peace. It's Paris.